working on Facebook as yourself or as your page. When you're on your Facebook page, you can make comments as yourself. So you can be your person, or you can choose to be your page writing. By default, your page, so in this case Clickademy Video Tutorials, makes the comment. So you'll notice it says here Clickademy Video Tutorials updated their cover photo. If I write something here, fantastic new Facebook videos being uploaded today, and post that, you'll notice it says that Clickademy Video Tutorials said it. If you look up the top here, but you'll see it says you are posting, commenting and liking as Clickademy Video Tutorials. So basically you're using the internet as that person. But if you want to write something as yourself, so in this case the personal profile was called Clickademy, I can actually switch to that and then write something here. Sounds fantastic. And now you'll see that in this case Clickademy said that. Now an easy way just to show you exactly that that's what's happening is if I go here into my personal profile and I will change my image there so that we can see the difference. Obviously if we're using the same picture for the photo on the profile for the page and personal, it's a bit hard to tell. So there we go, that's done. Now if I go back to Facebook and I go into Clickademy Video, you'll see there first of all it said Clickademy commented, so it tells you as the page admin that there has been a comment by someone on there, so you're informed of that. Then if we look down here, you'll see here's the original post we wrote as the page, and here it is when we switch to being ourselves, the person, the profile. So you can choose to be one or the other, and it gives you the option of actually posting on the page and then commenting it on yourself so that it shows interaction, which can help it show up in news feeds a little bit more successfully. It also means as that person you can like a comment like that. Remember, if you want to switch back, you can switch back to that profile.